In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off on nudges in Gmail. Nudges are Gmail's gentle reminders that bring certain messages back to the top of your inbox so you don't miss them. Some people love the extra help, others prefer a quieter inbox. Whatever your style, I'll show you exactly where to find the setting and how to customize it. Start by opening your browser and logging in to Gmail. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. That opens a quick panel, but for what we need, click See All Settings to enter the full settings page where every option is available. You'll land on the General tab by default, which is exactly where we want to be. Scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Nudges. This is where Gmail controls the reminders that resurface messages. You'll see two options here, each with a checkbox you can turn on or off. The first is Suggest emails to reply to. When this is enabled, Gmail looks for conversations where you might have forgotten to respond and moves those emails to the top of your inbox with a subtle prompt. The second is Suggest emails to follow up on. This one looks at messages you've sent, and if it seems like a follow-up might be needed, it nudges that conversation back to the top as well. To turn nudges off completely, simply uncheck both boxes. To turn them on, check one or both, depending on what kind of reminders you find helpful. You're in control. Pick the combination that fits how you work. A quick note. These suggestions don't change labels or permanently reorder your inbox. They're temporary prompts designed to help you act on the right messages at the right time. After you've made your choice, don't forget the most important part. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. If you skip this, your preferences won't be applied. A couple of tips to keep in mind. If you manage multiple Gmail accounts, these settings are per account, so repeat the same steps for each inbox where you want to adjust nudges. And if you're using a work or school account and don't see the option, it might be managed by your organization's administrator. That's it. You've learned where nudges live, what each option does, and how to switch them off or on to match your workflow. If the video has been helpful and you want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.